Hey y'all, I made this Julia Child Queen of Sheba chocolate cake, and let me tell you, it was an experience for sure. I obtained the exact recipe from monpetitfour.com, which I will link below. I'm really excited that I found this version of the recipe because it was easy to follow for an amateur baker like myself. To start the process, you want to make your meringue, and this was the very first time in my entire life that I made meringue by myself. And yes, I did it twice, and it still did not turn out perfect, but it was so much fun. And y'all know I have a professional cake decorator for a husband, so I was very grateful for his support and guidance as I figured out hard peak versus soft peak. The meringue didn't turn out perfect, but it definitely was good enough to fold into my cake later. This cake is so decadent with all of the chocolate and almond infusion. I was really excited to make this cake, especially coming off of watching Julia Child's HBO Max episode. I'm kind of obsessed with her story. I think she's a remarkable woman, and I was really excited to do this for Mother's Day. Everyone gave me 4 stars on the cake, including Ed the Cake Guy and all of our great staff here at the studio. So I was just thrilled that I was able to get this cake made. It was definitely a journey I will never forget. And sometimes that's all that baking really is about. Just try something new. Even if you're intimidated, you'll be so proud of yourself at the end. It's a good feeling. And I'm very grateful for all of you. And we thank you always for being Team Sugar Art.